sisters and brothers, the word Hindu does not have the idea of Hinduism, since ism is a closed book. It is an experience of individual man, but whereas in Hindu Dharma, in various periods, various people have come and they processed the religion. The word Hindu does not denote a particular religion. It has 9 religions. Saivam, having Shiva as God, Vishnu's, having Vishnu as God, Shaktam, having Mother. So totally we are having 9 religions in Hindu Dharma. The first 6 religions are esoteric religions. The last 3, Buddhism, Sikhism and Jainism, are all exoteric religions. These religions are all accepting the 4 Vedas. Some are rejecting the Vedas. So, the word Hindu itself is parliament of religions. So, it has given freedom of thought and freedom of worship to the devotees and allowing the individuals to develop himself and merging with God. That's why we call not as Hinduism, but as Hindutva religion. Hindutvam, the essence of religion is Hindutva. This religion has no date of birth, no founder. It is naturally developed one. So it is called as Sanatana Hindu Dharmam. It is an eternal religion. It is not made by individuals or any persons. Apaursheya. It is not made out of manpower, individual manpower. We can see the change and continuity in these religions. There are people having continuity in this religion. At the same time, new people comes and changes the religion. So change and continuity we can see in this religion. The latest change is Swami Vivekananda, his Guru Sri Ramakrishna and Holy Mother Sri Sarada Devi. We are insisting in this religion 4 Purusharthas. They are Dharma, Artha, Kama and Moksha. Dharma means code of conduct, rules. Then Artha means economic point. How to use the economics in our life, how to handle the economics in our life. Then Kama, what we desire in this world is to be achieved how. Then ultimate goal in our life is to worship God and merging with God. That is the moksha. So Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. These 4 Purusharthas are a frame for Hindu personal life. Then 4 ashrams. Individuals are given 4 ashrams. Brahmacharya life. Before the married life is called as Brahmacharya life. Then married life. Then retirement life. Last is sannyasa life. So individually, slowly, step by step, an individual develops into spiritual way of life. Ultimately, he is contributing his entire life as a sannyasi to the God. It is for family man. At the same time, for sannyasis, brahmacharya to sannyasa. Only 2 ashram is given to the sannyasi's life. They are having the goal of Atmano Mochartam Jagat Hidayacha. Atmano Mochartam means personal self-salvation. Atmano Mochartam. Then Jagat Hidayacha, serving the fellow beings, is called as Jagat Hidayacha. It is the motto of Sri Ramakrishna Mission, also for entire Hindu community. So we are allowing our devotees to have these two goals, twin goal, Atmano Mochartam, Jahat Hidayacha. The fourth one is we are giving the method to achieve the goal in our life is the method is 4 yogas. They are Jnana Yogam, Raja Yogam, Bhakti Yogam, and Karma Yogam. Last is Karma Yogam, service to fellow beings. The remaining 3, Jnana Yogam, Raja Yogam, Bhakti Yogam, is to develop our body, mind, and intellect. It gives us to enrich our body, mind, and intellect. By that, we are developing our personality. The fourth one is Karma Yogam, to serve the fellow beings is our goal. So, strength and service is the goal of human life. One side, we have to develop our strength. Another side, as an outlet, we have to serve the society. By serving the society, we are getting our own salvation. But the way of happiness is helping others. The way to be happy is making others happy, is the science behind this goal. So these 4 yogas are method. These 4 yogas can be applied in all religions. It is not for Hindus alone. Any religion can follow these yogas. Nowadays, the International Yoga year is celebrating the central government. So this is belongs to the entire universe. It belongs to the entire humanity. In Vedas, 2 points are stressed: Brahmam, Satyam, Jagat, Mithya. Satyam means it is original gold, a golden biscuit. Mithya means a golden shower, a jewel. Only the difference in Rubam and Namam. What is this gold? Gold is God, Satyam. Satyam will not change. It always, in past, present, future, in all these periods, Satyam will be there. Whereas the jewel, it is, Rupa is changed. This world is like that. That's why in Vedic hymn, Om Purnamada, Purnamidam, Purnat, Purnam Udachyade, Purnasya Purnamataya, Purnameva Avasishyade. From God, this world has come. We also have come. After coming from God, only the God is there because He is infinite. If you take anything from infinite, it will not reduce. If you multiply the infinite, it will not increase. So Purnam means infinite. It is always a particular quantity. We cannot change it. That is called as Puranam. Om Purnamada. So we are from God. So we are all children of God. So we are having a responsibility of sharing and caring. The way to be happy is making others happy, is the solution given by the Vedas. Swami Vivekananda in 1893 in Chicago, he has spoken 8 speeches. 6 speeches are available in book form. Among the 6, there is one paper called Hinduism. In that he has mentioned one particular universal religion. What is universal religion? It is not a new religion. A universal religion is sum total of all religions, all the Hindu religions, Islam, Christianity, and Jews, Judaism. If you put all these religions, we can leave place to the new religions also. Like that, scripture also we are in need. How to make a universal scripture? We want to lead the mankind to the place where there is neither the Vedas nor the Bible, nor the Quran. Yet, this has to be done by harmonizing the Vedas, the Bible, and the Quran. The universal religion is mankind ought to be taught that religions are but the varied expressions of the religion, capital letter, the religion, which is oneness, so that each may choose the path that suits him best, is the idea given by Swami Vivekananda. The latest message given by Hindu Dharma by Swami Vivekananda is the universal religion. The world religions have the responsibility to evolve a universal religion. Honestly, we have to come together, we have to sit together, we have to evolve a universal religion, we have to give to this world a way of life to the entire mankind. This is the way how Hindu Dharma is working for promoting peace and harmony in this world. Swami Vivekananda says, be gods and help others to become God. It's the message given by him. So I request all the world religious people, let us become gods and help others to become God. So sharing and caring should be our goal. Let us make this world as a family. One of our Hindu Dharma's concept is Vasudhaiva Kudumbakam. The entire world is a family of God. So we are all sisters and brothers. We are having a binding relationship through God. So spiritually we are all binding. So sisters and brothers, with this quotation of be gods and help others to become God, I conclude thanking you.